Okay, this is going to be fun because when you get these two Hamilton icons together, we are going to get a lot of style and a lot of inspiration. Lohifa Pogoson Acker and Simoni Lawrence join us with more now on Excel in Style.
Yes.
It's an event, Lohifa, that you've kind of created. It's coming up next month.
Yes, March 15th.
March 15th.
Yes.
And whereabouts?
At Bernie Custis Secondary School.
Okay,
Yes.
and this is all about getting kids,
Yes.
kind of kids that are in need,
Yes.
but also parents that are in need
Absolutely.
as well. And
Absolutely.
it's getting them all to deal with textured hairstyle
100%.
and to celebrate it.
Absolutely, it's necessary. As you know, it's Black History Month, and we want to make sure that our young kids are supported, Black and racialized kids with textured hair. There is such a gap in the knowledge space surrounding textured hair. A lot of parents are at a loss for textured hair styling when it comes to their kids and even their own. And even when they do have some knowledge, when it comes to access and affordability, as you know, with the rising interest rates and the rising cost of living, well, interest rates are coming down now, but when they were rising, with the cost of living, it makes it really difficult for families to afford textured hairstyling. So we want to help them upskill. We want to give them that knowledge so they can fill that gap to support their children, but also to support themselves. And we want the children to understand that there is power in their hair, in their textured hair. We want that to be celebrated.
Okay, so you're bringing together all kinds of stylists, all kinds of barbers together.
Yes, we're about 50 hairstylists and barbers representing 20 salons and barbershops here in Hamilton and independent stylists. And we're going to be working with organizations that already work with Black and racialized youth within that space. So STAC Hamilton, YWCA Hamilton, Empowerment Squared, the Hamilton Urban Core. I mean, quite a few coming to support as well. And we want these children and youth to know that they are loved, they're supported, and we want them to just move forward in life thriving.
Right, and show their style.
And show their style, and excel in style.
Okay, Simoni, this is the quietest I've ever seen you. What's your role in all of this?
Warming up.
Oh, this is just amazing. It's so close to my heart. When she brought it to me, I was just so honored to be a part of this because my nieces and nephew both are biracial. They live in Utah, and they have a hard time, getting their hair done. They don't never see hair getting done like that before. And then here in Hamilton, I played football for 10 years. You look good, you play good, and it's no different when you go to schools and stuff. You look good, you're going to perform good in school, and I think that's the main reason. That's what's going to do such a great job for the kids, bringing them on here.
And the date of it, it's at the end of March break.
100%.
So these kids are going to be going back into school on Monday, totally
Yes, we were
styled.
very deliberate about that. So growing up, I realized that when you saw kids starting school and their hair wasn't done, you knew it was often an affordability issue because you always want to get your hair done right when you're going to school so you can start the school term feeling good and feeling confident. So we want to eliminate that feeling for any child who's unable to afford hair care at this time, particularly textured hairstyling.
Okay.
We want everybody going in looking good and feeling confident.
So if parents are watching this or teens are watching this, how do you sign up to get an appointment to be part of it?
So we have a link that we're going to launch that you can sign up on. You just let us know. We have a list of styles. You can pick your style. We have time slots available. We're going to be in the gym, all 50 of us, at Bernie Custis Secondary from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And while you're waiting to get your hair styled, you can engage a lot of the community organizations that will be present and the other wraparound supports in counseling, in STEM, in health and wellness. So it's going to be a really fun day.
And it's free.
And it's free.
That is so awesome.
Sponsored, of course, by many lovely people in the community. Chloe Hamilton, thanks to Simoni.
Of course. My friend Gina, she owns one of the beauty supplies called Chloe Beauty. And they specialize in texture hair, and she heard about this and she was just so honored to be a part of it to help out the community.
We got to be there that day to cover it.
You do. It's going to be a fun day, I promise you. We look forward to having you.
Lovely to have you both in.
Thank you so much.
We'll get more on Excel in Style up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Gonna be a great day.
Yes, it will. Thank you.